Ever found yourself staring blankly at a page not found error when trying to dive into a captivating Medium story? You're not alone, and today we're tackling the common roadblocks that might be preventing you from entering the world of Medium. First up, let's talk about the invisible barrier. Your network connection, a spotty or disconnected internet problem, is the most frequent culprit. Double-check your Wi-Fi. Is it on? Is it strong? Try turning your router off and on again. It's a classic for a reason. If you're on a public network, sometimes those can be restrictive. Consider switching to a different network if possible. Next, let's address potential account hiccups. While rare, there might be temporary restrictions on your account. This could be due to something like a violation of Medium's terms of service. Though usually, you'd receive an email about it if you suspect this. The best course of action is to carefully review Medium's guidelines, and if necessary, reach out to their support team for clarification. Now, let's dive into the browser itself. Your browser can sometimes get in its own way. Try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. This might sound technical, but it's usually a simple process found in your browser's settings under Privacy or History. Also, ensure your browser is up to date. Outdated browsers can cause compatibility issues. A quick refresh of the Medium page, using that iconic circular arrow button, can sometimes work wonders if you use browser extensions. Try disabling them temporarily to see if one of them is interfering with Medium's functionality. Still no luck? Try accessing Medium from a different browser altogether. For example, if you're using Chrome, try Firefox or Edge. This can help us pinpoint if the issue is browser-specific or a more general problem. By systematically working through these steps, from checking your network to refreshing your browser and even trying a different one, you'll greatly increase your chances of getting back to reading and writing on Medium. Don't let these common glitches keep you out.